Thank you, the Permanent Secretary, Your Excellency, the Japanese Ambassador to the Republic of Fiji Islands, Mr. Masahiro Omura, and officials of the Embassy of Japan in Fiji. I am deeply honored and privileged this afternoon on behalf of our Minister for Local Government, Housing and Environment, Honorable Parveen Kumar Bala, our Permanent Secretary for Local Government, Mr. Joshua Wycliffe, the Ministry's officials, and staff of Nasinu Council to officially welcome you, sir, Your Excellency, and your presence this afternoon. Your presence, Your Excellency, signifies the willingness and the kindness of the Japanese government and its people to donate 2 garbage compactor trucks valued at US $232,287, which is equivalent to $446,438 to Nasinu Town Council through the Ministry for Local Government, Housing and Environment. Your Excellency, this timely donation from your country through the Japan's grants assistance for grassroots human security projects will immensely assist Nasinu Town Council towards each effort trying to tackle waste management issue within its municipal boundary. Nasinu Town Council, sir, is by far the largest municipality in Fiji in terms of population and land area, compared to the 2 cities of Suva and Lautoka. Currently, we are still growing, having an annual population growth rate of 2%. Apart from our formal residents, population of 87,000, based on the 2007 census, we have the highest number of informal settlement residents of around 12,000. These informal residents do not pay any town rates, but as expected of us in our civic responsibility, we are also required to provide waste management for them. Our current strength in containing solid waste management sees us in the following arrangement. We have almost, like in our estimate, 120,000 people to serve, including 2,000 households or 12,000 residents in informal settlements. This was based on a council survey carried out in 2015. The amount of waste that we collect annually is 16 million kg or 16,000 tons, which equates to about 4,000 to 5,000 truckloads. Our council current strength, we have 17 kitchen waste runners, apart from the truck driver. We have 7 green waste collectors, and we have in our trucks, for kitchen waste collection, we have 1 compactor truck and 4 open trucks. For our green waste collection, we have 4 hired open trucks and 1 backhoe. The services that we provide, Your Excellency, includes kitchen waste collection, which is twice a week, green waste collection once every 7 weeks, and white goods collection on a quarterly basis. The benefits that we will acquire in obtaining these 2 compactor trucks: collection will go faster and more efficient. There will be less trips to our landfill, which is in Namboro. That also equates to loss of less fuel cost. Less costs on hiring of trucks, about 180,000 annually, which costs us $300 per truck per day on hired trucks. Better working conditions for our laborers who don't have to throw at the moment garbage bags anymore to the trucks, to the open trucks. Your Excellency, the signing of this grant contract and the Memorandum of Understanding today between the Japanese Embassy and the Nasinu Town Council will ensure due process is taken to facilitate the acquiring of the 2 compactor trucks from the kind donor, the Japanese government and its people, to our town council. As a recipient to the project, we, Your Excellency, want to assure you that Nasinu Town Council will oblige with full responsibility towards its part in fulfilling all the requirements, both in the grant contract and the memorandum of understanding. In concluding these brief remarks, on behalf of the Minister for Local Government, the Permanent Secretary, the Minister for Local Government Officials, and the Nasinu Town Council staff, I would like also to highlight and place on record the assistance already given by the Japanese government to Nasinu Town Council, in particular on tackling solid waste management issues. In October 2010, a backhoe machine was received at the Nasinu Town Council from the kind donation of the Japanese government. In August 2014, a 5-ton compactor truck was also received at the Nasinu Town Council through the kind donation, again, of the Japanese government. Both these two machines are keeping us very well in trying to maintain solid waste management practices, as well as from our part, we are trying to maintain the machine in good shape and running order. Further to that, Your Excellency, we are fortunate that we are currently having the services of a JICA volunteer at the Council on a 2-year assignment looking after our 3R projects in our school. I think she's somewhere around here, who had come to replace another outgoing JICA volunteer who was on the same 3R project in school and left us in December 2016. So you see, Your Excellency, your country is not only assisting the Nasinu Town Council in terms of machinery supply, but also in terms of staff assistance through your JICA volunteers. On that note, let me, Your Excellency, again say, on behalf of our Honorable Minister, Parveen Kumar Bala, the Permanent Secretary of Local Government, Mr. Joshua Wycliffe, and the Minister of Education, staff, and the Council, extend to you and the Japanese people our big appreciation and thank you for this wonderful gift.
The Honorable Parveen Kumar Bala, Minister for Local Government, Housing and Environment, Infrastructure and Transport. Mr. Mosese Kama, Special Administrator, Nasinu Town Council, Permanent Secretary, Director of Local Government. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon, Bula Vinaka, Namaste. Please accept my sincere appreciation for your warm hospitality accorded to me and my colleagues. I also wish to extend my gratitude to the Ministry of Local Government, Housing and Environment for hosting this ceremony. Today, we have gathered here to sign the grant contract formalizing Japan's assistance to Nasinu Town Council. I am very pleased to say that the government of Japan will be providing $232,000 for the project for provision of garbage compactor trucks to Nasinu Town. This project will be funded through Japan's Grant Assistance for Grassroots Human Security Projects Program, or GGP in short. The project is part of our continued commitment in assisting municipal councils in Fiji to create cleaner and healthier environment for its communities. The government of Japan has recently assisted Nasinu Town Council in 2014 with the provision of a 5-ton garbage compactor truck. I've been informed that this garbage truck is still fully operational. I'm keenly aware of the constant struggles the Council endures, as it is often highlighted in the media. I commend the tremendous effort of Council workers and residents of Nasinu in addressing the issue of garbage collection and littering. I understand that Nasinu is experiencing an accelerated population growth due to an influx of in-migration. Additionally, Nasinu currently hosts 18 informal settlements, is developing new subdivisions, and there are plans to absorb the Tadirua area under the Council waste collection jurisdiction. The vast area coverage and burgeoning population has placed a lot of stress on the available labor and machinery of the waste collection team. The degree of difficulty in waste collection for Nasinu Town Council is unparalleled. However, this can be mitigated with the right equipment and commitment. Upon implementation, I am confident that this project will help address the difficulties faced by Nasinu Town Council and assist in the accomplishment of its respective goals. I am pleased to inform you that this project is in line with Fiji government's national development objectives. Such development harmonization is the key to Japan's development cooperation with this country. Furthermore, I would like to highlight that over the years, a number of Japan Overseas Cooperation volunteers have served in Fiji and the region, contributing to the development of the waste management sector. Let me introduce Ms. Shoko Tanaka. Please stand up. One of the Japan Overseas Cooperation volunteers who is stationed with Nasinu Town Council to facilitate improving environment in Nasinu Town. In her tenure, she has been positively contributing to the waste management program. Since 1990, Japan has been providing assistance to grassroots communities in Fiji through 359 GGP projects with a total value exceeding $24 million. I wish to kindly urge Nasinu Town Council that upon receiving the 2 compactor trucks, it should exercise timely maintenance. This will ensure its longevity in serving the people of Nasinu. It is my honor to reaffirm Japan's commitment to providing continued assistance for the sustainable development of Fiji. I conclude with confidence that this project will further strengthen friendship between the people and governments of Japan and Fiji. Thank you. Vinaka Vakalevu. Dhanyavad.
At the outset, Your Excellency, welcome to the conference room of the Minister for Local Government once again. Just a few weeks ago, we were here to sign the MOU between the Government of Japan and Lotoka City Council. And today, we have gathered here to sign another MOU between the Government of Japan and Nasinu Town Council. I remember very well, if my memory serves me right, that when His Excellency came to Fiji, I took advantage of that. Advantage in a sense that my municipal councils were at Albert Park meeting for municipal issues. And I took that opportunity to introduce His Excellency to all the municipal administrators and staffs of respective councils. And in that meeting, I asked His Excellency if he could consider our request in terms of providing compactor trucks to Nasinu Town Council. And I can tell you, the answer was very positive at that point in time by His Excellency. And today we are here with his promise that we are going to sign for the 2 compactor trucks, which I am told will be delivered within 8 months' time. Your Excellency, on behalf of the Government of Fiji, I would like to say thank you to the Government of Japan for the assistance. In past, my municipal council has been recipient of equipments in the various municipalities, and would like to say thank you so much for that. Your Excellency, I think the area that we need to now discuss and go further on this is the area of cooperation in regards to J Prism. I think this is the only area that's been left behind, and if we can work together, I think we can together achieve a lot in terms of environment. So once again, Your Excellency, on behalf of the Government of Fiji and on behalf of the Nasinu Town Council, I want to say thank you so much for this donation. Naka. friendship.
Thank you for your
And I
guidance.
look forward for this cooperation that we have, partnership that we have.